Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6256. It's run from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.